pressing the power button, and then the computer will begin to boot. During the boot process, part of the computer's operating system is loaded into memory. The computer does a quick diagnostic of itself, and then it launches any programs such as security software designated to run each time the computer starts up. You may need to supply a password to log on to your computer or a computer network to finish the boot process. Once a computer has booted, it is ready to be used and waits for input from the user. Most software today uses a variety of graphical objects, such as icons, buttons, and tiles, that are selected with the mouse, or with a finger or stylus for a computer that supports touch or pen input, to tell the computer what to do. For instance, the Windows desktop, the basic workspace for computers running the Windows operating system, that is, the place where documents, folders, programs, and other objects are displayed when they are being used, along with some common graphical objects used in Windows and many other software programs, is shown in Figure 1 to 10. While the original release of Windows 8 did not include the traditional Windows Start button, it was reinstated in Windows 8.1 but displays the Start screen instead of the Start menu. Tip: Copyright 2015. Users to perform specific tasks on a computer, such as writing letters or playing games, also called apps. Application software, see Figure 1 to 11, consists of programs designed to allow people to perform specific tasks using a computer, such as creating letters, preparing budgets, managing inventory and customer databases, playing games, watching videos, listening to music, scheduling appointments, editing digital photographs, designing homes, viewing web pages, burning DVDs, and exchanging email. Application software is launched via the operating system, such as by using the Windows Start screen for Windows 8 computers, or the Windows Start menu for older versions of Windows, and is discussed in greater detail in Chapter 6. There are also application programs that help users write their own programs in a form the computer can understand using a programming language like BASIC, Visual Basic, COBOL, C++, Java, or Python. Some languages are traditional programming languages for developing applications, others are designed for use with web pages or multimedia programming. Markup and scripting languages, such as HTML, XHTML, and JavaScript, used to create web pages are covered in Chapter 10. Traditional programming languages are discussed in detail in Chapter 13. Computer users and professionals, in addition to hardware, software, data, and procedures, the predetermined steps to be carried out in particular situations, a computer system includes people. Or end users, are the people who use computers to perform tasks or obtain information. Windows Desktop. LT toolbar contains buttons or icons that can be used to issue commands. Icons represent folders, documents, or other items that can be opened. Windows rectangular areas containing programs, documents, or other data. The active window is the one currently being used. Menu bar opens menus that can be used to issue commands. Dialog box displayed when needed to request information from the user. Sizing buttons resize or close a window. Charms allow you to search, change your settings, shut down the device, and more. Windows Desktop provides the backdrop for Windows and other objects. Taskbar usually located at the bottom of the desktop. Notification area shows the clock and other indicators. Taskbar buttons correspond to open windows, can be used to preview thumbnails of open windows as well as to change the active window. Start screen thumbnail opens the start screen that is used to launch programs. Pinned programs represent programs that can be opened directly from the taskbar. Application software programs are also referred to as apps. Tip used with permission from Microsoft Corporation. Copyright 2015. Is a computer user, including an accountant electronically preparing a client's taxes, an office worker using a word processing program to create a letter, a supervisor using a computer to check and see whether or not manufacturing workers have met the day's quotas, a parent emailing his or her child's teacher, a college student researching a topic online, a doctor updating a patient's electronic medical record, a child playing a computer game, and a person shopping online. Programmers, on the other hand, are computer professionals who write the programs that computers use. Other computer professionals include systems analysts, who design computer systems to be used within their companies as discussed in Chapter 12, Computer Operations